जनरल स्टडीज़ क्विज़ 20। क्विज़ को ऑनलाइन अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए आप वेबसाइट स्पेक्ट्रम इंडिया ऑनलाइन पर जा सकते हैं। वहाँ पर क्विज़ सेक्शन में क्लिक करके आपको जनरल स्टडीज़ क्विज़ मिल जाएंगी। वेबसाइट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया गया है। दिए गए बॉक्स में आप अपना ईमेल आईडी एंटर करके क्विज़ को स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। द पैथानी साड़ी विच हैज़ बीन कैप्चर्ड ऑन सेलुलॉइड named after Pathan town in Maharashtra is a part of India's ancient heritage and has existed for more than 2000 years in their original pattern and are woven with the same technique even today. Number 2, Adi Shankaracharya was the first film in Sanskrit released in 1983 to win the National Film Award. Number 3, oxygen, carbon and hydrogen are the most abundant elements by mass in the human body. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Mark your correct answer. Now question number 2. With reference to the Basoli paintings at Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir getting the GI tag, consider the following statements. Number 1, Basoli paintings flourished during the 13th to 14th centuries in the hilly Jammu region. Number 2, Basoli paintings of Kathua district is the first independent GI tagged product from the Jammu region. Number 3, Basoli paintings flourished under Sangram Pal 1635 to 1673 and later Kripal Pal 1678 to 1693. Fourth, Basoli paintings matured under the patronage of Kripal Singh. Fifth, Basoli paintings are a unique style of miniature paintings that witnessed a fusion of mythology and traditional folk art and are known for their bold vitality of color and line. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2, 3 and 4 only, 2, 3, 4 and 5 only, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Mark your correct answer. Number 3, question number 3, consider the following statements. The Abraham Accords are a series of treaties of normalizing diplomatic relations between Israel, the United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, Sudan and Morocco, facilitated by the US administration between August and December 2020. The second statement, the agreements were called the Abraham Accords in honor of Abraham, the patriarch of Judaism, Christianity and Islam. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Mark your correct answer. Now question number 4. In the context of World Bank report Women, Business and Law 2023, consider the following statements. Number 1, the report identifies barriers to women's economic participation and encourages the reform of discriminatory laws. Number 2, it is a biannual study measuring the laws that affect women's economic opportunity in 150 economies. Number 3, this report presents 8 indicators: mobility, workplace, pay, marriage, parenthood, entrepreneurship, assets and pension, structured around women's interaction with the law as they progress through their lives and careers. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 and 3 only, 3 only, 2 and 3 only, 2 only. Mark your correct answer. Now question number 5. Recently, Speaker of the Lok Sabha applied the guillotine on the entire set of demands for grants of various ministries and departments in Budget 2023-24. Guillotine refers to the act of putting all the demands to vote without discussion on the last day marked for discussion of budget. Second, a power of the government to withdraw funds from the Consolidated Fund of India for meeting extra expenditure during the financial year. Third, a memorandum containing explanations of the requirement of the funds to expenditure. Fourth, the power of the Lok Sabha Speaker or the Rajya Sabha Chairman to stop discussion on a bill due to shortage of time. Mark your correct answer. Now, question number 6. In March 2023, the Supreme Court asked the Centre to reply on the constitutional validity of Section 354 Sub-Clause 5 of the CRPC 1973 while dealing with the public interest litigation that challenged the section. In this context, consider the following statements. Number 1. Section 354 subsection 5 of the CRPC provides that when any person is sentenced to death, the sentence shall direct that he be hanged by the neck till he is dead. Second, according to the Supreme Court, hanging by the neck to execute the death sentence can be declared unconstitutional if there is a scientific material favoring a different method of execution as less painful and more consistent with human dignity. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Review the sentences and mark your correct answer. Question number 7. The principle of odi alteram partem denotes first, hearing of other side from the beginning, knowingly helping someone to commit a crime, complete freedom to act as one chooses. Mark your correct answer. Question number 8. Operation Trishul first is a three-pronged strategy of the Central Bureau of Investigation to nab fugitives. Second, is an army operation to neutralize the terrorist activities in Jammu and Kashmir. Third, has extradited 33 fugitives involved in various criminal activities in last 1 year. Select the correct answer using the code given below. First, 2 only. Second, 1 and 3 only. Third, 3 only. Fourth, 1, 2 and 3. Select the correct answer. Now, question number 9. With reference to the Vedic Heritage Portal, consider the following statements. Number 1. It is an initiative of the Indian Institute of Heritage. Number 2, the portal aims to communicate the message of Vedic knowledge for universal well-being. Number 3, the portal will target mainly those users who are associated with the traditional Vedic learning, who are interested to know the Vedas and their content, and professionals who can relate the Vedas with the modern times. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? First, 1 and 2 only. Second, 2 only. Third, 2 and 3 only. Fourth, 3 only. Mark the correct answer. Now, question number 10. In April 2023, the Supreme Court launched a special web page to celebrate the 50th anniversary of a historic judgment. In the context of this case, consider the following statements. First, on April 24, 1973, the Supreme Court judgment in the Keshavananda Bharati case settled the controversial debates over the Constitution's supremacy and Parliament's sovereignty and laid down the basic structure doctrine. Second, this judgment was given by a 5-judge constitutional bench with 5:4 majority. Third, the judgment is the longest appellate decision of the last century and laid down the certain fundamental features of the Constitution cannot be altered by the legislature through amendments. Select the correct answer using the code given below. First, 1 and 3 only. Second, 3 only. Third, 2nd and 3 only. Fourth, all of the above. Mark the correct answer. Question number 11. Consider the following statements. Under the nutrient-based subsidy (NBS), the government fixed a per kg subsidy for only nitrogen and potash fertilizers. Second, linking subsidy to nutrient content is intended to promote balanced fertilizer application and discouraging farmers from applying too much urea, diammonium phosphate (DAP) and muriate of potash, that is MOP. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, second 2 only, third both 1 and 2, fourth neither 1 nor 2. Review the sentences and mark your correct answer. Question number 12. In the financial year 2022-23, which of the following countries became the second biggest exporter of crude oil to India? First, Bolivia. Second, Qatar. Third, United Arab Emirates. Fourth, Russia. Mark your correct answer. Question number 13. Regarding genome sequencing, consider the following statements. Number 1. Recently, the Department of Biotechnology revealed that the exercise to sequence 5,000 Indian human genomes under Genome India project have been completed. Number 2. Genome sequencing has been used to evaluate rare disorders, preconditions for disorders and even cancer from the viewpoint of genetic rather than as diseases of certain organs. Third, in 2005, a group of scientists began to work on determining the whole sequence of the human genome under the Human Genome Project. Number 4, as a sequence of base pairs is identical in all humans, the process of deciphering the order of base pairs to decode the genetic fingerprint of a human is called genome sequencing. Which of the statements given above are correct? Number 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. Second, 2 and 4 only. Third, 1, 2 and 4 only. Fourth, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Review the statements and mark your correct answer. Question number 14. PSLV C55 number 1 placed 2 satellites from Singapore, namely Telios 2 as primary satellite and Lumilite 4 as co-passenger in the intended orbit. 2. Is a dedicated commercial PSLV mission of New Space India Limited NSIL. 3. Is the 50th flight of PSLV and 20th mission using the PSLV core alone configuration. Select the correct answer using the code given below. First, 1 only. Second, 2 only. Third, 1 and 2 only. Fourth, 2 and 3 only. Mark your correct answer. Question number 15. With reference to the India Space Policy 2023, consider the following statements. First, the policy, which was made public on April 20, 2023, revealed that the Indian Space Research Organization shall transition out from manufacturing operational space systems and focus its energies on research and development in advanced technologies. Second, the policy encourages non-government entities to establish and operate ground facilities for space objects operations such as telemetry, tracking and command earth stations and satellite control centers. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both, 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Select your correct answer. Question number 16. YZ Seti B refers to: first, a rocky Earth-sized exoplanet going around a small red dwarf star which is hardly 12 light years from the Earth. Second, a Malaysian communication satellite launched by India through its PSLV C50. Third, a US-China joint naval exercise to build confidence between the two countries. Fourth, none of the above. Choose your correct answer. Question number 17. Consider the following statements. Statement number 1. Recently, the Union Cabinet approved the full budget for the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, that is LIGO, India Mega Science Project, which includes the construction, commissioning and joint scientific operation of a state-of-art advanced LIGO in India. Statement 2. The Cabinet approval of the full budget for the LIGO India Mega Science Project reiterates the Indian government's commitment to meet the rising aspirations of Indian science to make a far-reaching impact in the global arena. Which of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? Number 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Second, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation for statement 1. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is not correct. Fourth, statement 1 is not correct, but statement 2 is correct. Mark your correct answer. Question number 18. Consider the following statements. An amendment made on April 6, 2023 to the Information Technology Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021 or IT Rules grants power to the Union Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to create a fact-check unit to identify false and misleading online content that concerns the central government's business in any manner. Second, the IT rules derive their authority from the Information Technology Act 2020. Third, which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Mark your correct answer. Question number 19. Till 1311, when the Lincoln Cathedral was completed in England, which was the tallest man-made structure on earth? First, St. Olaf's Church. Second, the Great Pyramid at Giza. Third, St. Mary church. Fourth, none of the above. Mark your correct answer. Now question number 20. Father Then Lightning is the autobiography of which legendary sports person? Milkha Singh, P.T. Usha, Usain Bolt, Pele. Mark your correct answer and then submit your quiz by pressing the submit button. Now क्योंकि इसमें कुछ कोई भी मार्क नहीं किया था, कोई भी बॉक्स, इसलिए इसमें आया यू स्कोर्ड 0 पॉइंट्स आउट ऑफ 40 पॉइंट्स टोटल। तो आपने जितने भी मार्क किए होंगे इसमें आपका स्कोर ऊपर आ जाएगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर है 1, 2 एंड 3, यानी कि तीनों ही स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट हैं। सेकंड क्वेश्चन करेक्ट आंसर 2, 3, 4 एंड 5। तो इसमें फर्स्ट जो स्टेटमेंट है वो इनकरेक्ट है, बाकी स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट हैं। थर्ड क्वेश्चन का आंसर है बोथ 1 एंड 2, दोनों ही स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट हैं। फोर्थ आंसर है फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड ओनली। तो इसमें सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है, बाकी फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट हैं। फिफ्थ का आंसर है 1। सिक्स्थ का आंसर है बोथ 1 एंड 2। सेवंथ का आंसर है 1, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ओडी अल्टरम पार्टम, दैट इज हियरिंग द अदर साइड। इसी तरह एट्थ का आंसर है ऑपरेशन त्रिशूल, 1 and 3 only। नाइन्थ का क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का आंसर है 2 and 3 ओनली, यानी जो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट है वो इनकरेक्ट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 का आंसर है 1 and 3 ओनली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 का आंसर है 2 ओनली, यानी फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 का आंसर है रशिया। 22-23 में रशिया सेकंड बिगेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ क्रूड ऑयल रहा है इंडिया को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 में जो आंसर है वो 2 and 4 ओनली, फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड स्टेटमेंट्स रॉन्ग है, इनकरेक्ट है। 14th का आंसर है 1 and 2 ओनली, थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है। फिफ्टीन का आंसर है बोथ 1 and 2। सिक्सटीन का आंसर है फर्स्ट, अ रॉकी अर्थ साइज्ड exoplanet going around a small red dwarf star which is hardly 12 light years from the earth। सेवनटीन का आंसर है फर्स्ट। इसमें दोनों स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट हैं और स्टेटमेंट 2 जो है वो स्टेटमेंट 1 का करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है। एटीन का आंसर है 1 ओनली, जो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट है वो इनकरेक्ट है। नाइनटीन का आंसर है द ग्रेट पिरामिड ऑफ गीजा। और 20th का आंसर है उसेन बोल्ट, जिनकी ऑटोबायोग्राफी का नाम है फास्टर देन लाइटनिंग। इसमें जब आप क्विज़ सबमिट कर देंगे तो इस प्रकार से आपके पास मेल भी पहुंच जाएगी।